website. It's pretty, it looks good, but you're also geared towards a very different customer base. For B2B, a lot of your people are engineers, you know, scientists, like technical people who just need the data specifications so they can build out what they need to build out.
Really good point.
So it's just a different customer base, and um, you know, what people care about is different. So when you're, you know, a big manufacturing company, we get this question a lot: is how do we know we're ready for a PIM? And what I can provide you with is a huge statistic, and I give this to people to take into their CEOs when they're asking for more budget. But it's literally finding product or service information that is up to date. Last year in our survey, this was number 5. This year it has jumped to number 2, with 48%. And there's a couple of reasons for that, but the biggest reason is because of the pandemic. It used to be you could go to a manufacturer's website, and if you didn't find what you were looking for, you could call the customer rep up and ask them, and they would send you the data sheet, or you know, account-based pricing or something like that. What's now happening is, one, people are on Zoom all the time, like we are. You're just doing a lot of this digital stuff, and if I don't have time to call someone, I just want to go to your website and find out the information. So digital first is becoming really, really important in this space, and we're seeing huge strides in B2B companies putting more effort into their product information. So that is a really important step.